Welcome to What is the Artist Thinking, where I critique and review the difficulties and successes of creating this art piece. And this is last week's drawing of Chalchiuhtlicue. She looks fierce, don't she? Now, her biggest issue is the backdrop, the background. I had done some studies on her, and I found that her symbol could be the serpent or the frog, amphibious animals, as I'm drawing here a big eyeball for the frog. To fill in the background, but I ended up choosing not to do that at the moment. I actually go back and forth. That's kind of the issue, because I wanted negative space and then I don't want negative space, and I want it to be black, or I want to be cross-hatching, or I want it to be white. Whatever it is, I eventually switch it up, and that's what's so stressful about this one. I start drawing from her eyebrows to give her expression that I want, to make sure she's going to look right. And after I get most of her drawn out, I start detailing to get a feel for how much detail I want to put into her. And I go overboard, of course, with the feathers and the scales. But I struggle because I know what's coming up behind her. How much negative space do I need to create on her in order for the background to make her pop more? That's what I'm struggling with at this moment. And I'm, just doing all the detail. Now with this detail with the scales, here's a cool trick. You draw the first U and then you draw a J above it to give it some dimension. Whichever direction that the scales are going, this will help you kind of create more depth, and you can color it in and fill some spots. More depth, more 3D. Now, this is where I was like, you know what? She's very detailed. I need something in the background to make her pop more. She's just floating. So I did go back to the serpent, and the serpent was meant to be this yin-yang kind of color array, so that she's got the white snake and then this black or cross-hatched area around her. And I like that idea. As my drawing starts sliding off my table, I start to go at the detailing the cross-hatching of this outside of the snake. But then I realized, oh man, if I'm going to cross-hatch all around the snake, it's just going to blend in and make her look all muddied up. So I was like, you know what, let's go to the black marker and just color in all this area black, and then make the snake, instead of white, make it cross-hatched. Now, did I want to make it cross-hatched? I don't know. I think it was a mistake. I think I was cross-hatching something else that I thought was the ground, and then I just had to work my way up to the snake. But as I'm also coloring in all these little water droplets, I'm reminded that I just need a white pen, because going around all those guys was annoying. I also cheated here, where I separated the lines further apart on the snake, so that way I didn't have to do too much detail and cut my time in half, as well as to separate it from the fine detail on the goddess. So now with the snake being cross-hatched and me using finer cross-hatching details on around the edges of the snake to kind of build form for the snake, I don't want too many wide lines, right? So this is Chalchiuhtlicue, and I like her, I enjoy it. I think I could have done better, more negative space, or a better usage of the water for being negative space in it. I think that's what I would change. I still like it, but there are tons of things in here that I would do differently, and even some of her pose I would change, of course, too. But not too bad. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. That would definitely help me out. But also check out my Discord and join the community, and we chat and share art. And yeah, it's a fun place, safe place to talk to other artists. And my name is Josh, and this is Inkology. And if you're creative, hey, go create.